Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Affirm. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in affirm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Affirm website where you can find the login and the sign up button at the top right corner. Now in order to change your email address, click on the help button alongside sign up and you will be taken to the help and support page. Now from the help center, simply click on account and security and then scroll down and you will find update my email address button. Go ahead and click on it and now you will find a link which you can click on to update your email address. After you click on this link, you will need to log into your account first using your phone number or your email address. After you log in, you will directly be allowed to enter a new email address for your account. Just type in a new email address and then proceed forward and you will receive a confirmation email within the new email account that you enter. Then you can simply open up your email and follow the link within and this will confirm your email change. And now you can click on the sign in link and use your new email address to sign in to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Affirm. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.